Welcome friends. Today's video we are going to see about Vedic maths, how to find out squares while in competitive exams. In this video we are deals with two concepts. One is starts with 5, another one is ends with 5. So within just 2 or 3 seconds you can find out the squares of the numbers. First we take 15. So 5 into 5, 25. Next step, the 1. The second one plus a 1. So you get 2. So 1 into 1, 2. It is 2. So it's 225 is the answer. Let's see another one more example. 45 square. So 45 into 45. As per rule, 5 into 5, 25. Next one is 4 into 4 plus 1. That means 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So 20, 25 is the answer. So just 2 or 3 seconds you can get the answer. 95 square. So 95 into 95. So 5 into 5, 25. 9 into 10, 90. So by seeing itself you can get the answer by practice. So just you practice this sum. While competitive exam you can save so much time. Let's see how to find out. Starts with 5. 51 square. For this you have a rule. You just remember the letter L. Just 51 into 51. So that first you multiply 5 into 5 plus 1. That means 26. Next one is same thing. 1 into 1, 0, 1. Because square means you have 2 digits. See one more example. 56 square. 56 is 5 into 5, 25 plus 6, 31. 6 into 6, 36. That's all. So just seconds you can get the answer. Let's see one more example. By seeing it, so you can get the answer. 5 into 5, 25 plus 9, 34. 9 into 9, 81. That's all. So just 2 or 3 seconds you get the answer. Just practice these sums. 65 into 65, 56 into 56, 75 into 75, 57 into 57. Just practicing these sums and get the answer. With the timing, just calculate. So you write your answer with the timing in the comment box. You can see all the numbers is either starts with 5 or ends with 5. So with this rule, you can find the answer. With the timing, you just present your answer in the comment box. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing my channel and share among your friends. Keep like my channel. Thank you.